welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on DJT, Trump Media and Technology Group stock, aka the Donald Trump stock. I give you here my updated chart analysis. We are here again at the edge of seeing a squeeze, make it or break it, how I call it. So I give you here the full chart analysis, and everything what I say here is of course based on the technicals and not financial advice. Yeah guys, since my video release here back in September, I said that I expect here a squeeze to happen for DJT. My buying liquidity zone was here in the very low price ranges between $11 and $9, and we can see that since then we had here a very nice technical breakout, aka also a small short squeeze. Not a typical short squeeze that short sellers are forced to cover their positions, but that was an algo squeeze which I expected to happen. The main question is, can DJT continue to squeeze? Yes or no? And therefore I show you here my technical chart analysis. Yeah guys, for now we have here a make it or break it price level. It might not be visible when you see the chart like that, because we just enable now here the EMA lines, but when you see my drawings here, then you understand what I'm meaning. And I will disable here the indicators for a second, because this big fat red line here is our make it or break it price level, guys. $33.37. This is where the market makers try to control the price, where the price needs to stay below. For the bearish market makers, when the price is staying below 33.37 cents, this is, as I said, my opinion, how I see the chart. This is in favor for the bears. When we trade above 33.37, guys, this is in favor for the bulls. And you can see not only this price level here is very important for DJT, also this algo trend line here is pushing the price to the upside. When we zoom out a little bit, then you can see that we had here squeeze reactions every time when we try to, or when we come with volume over this white trend line here, DJT started to squeeze. I think in the 4-hour chart it is even more visible. Let's zoom out here. Zack, zack, zack. So here you can see the touch points. The reason why you see that in the 4 hours chart and not in the daily chart is because the market makers use the pre and after market here, the low volume extended trading hours, to regulate, aka manipulate the prices here. Before we dive into the technicals, guys, I want to announce that we have now here a final chance here to get 70% discount on TradingView. So everything what you see here, you will see that in all my videos, guys. I always use TradingView for myself, for my videos, and since many years in trading. Now we have here the final day of Cyber Monday. So you get here a 70% discount and 1 month for free. Only 20 hours left. When you see the video, maybe it's only 17 hours left or less. So take the chance right now, guys. If you want to get TradingView, this is the chance right now. 70% on the premium tier, and you can get this special discount link here when you click the info icon here in the corner. Then you get access here to the 70% discount link on TradingView. I can highly recommend that program, guys, since I use that also every day since many years, and it helps you to become very successful in trading since you understand how the algos work, and you can of course copy here the trend lines and trend channel patterns from my chart. So guys, so now it's very important for DJT to break this price level and keep the price level here of $33.37. As I said, right now in the pre-market with trading above that price level here, you can see how the market makers faked out here the price below, and now we try to regain back strength. We are not yet out of the danger zone. Why? Because what we want to see is a full candle body, a full green candle body over $33.37. For now we have just this green candle here, but not a full green candle body, because what happens, you can see that here we came back with volume, we squeezed with a full green candle body over this price level. Then the next day the bearish market makers tried to retest here with this candle. The bull said no, we are here and we want to have the thing squeezing right now, and then we had, that was the beginning here of the big short squeeze for DJT, where unfortunately $50.12 is one of the resistance levels here in the chart. When we just talk about technical algo squeezes here, then usually DJT has to come back in this price range here. This price level is key, so everything here between $38 and $40, guys, is not a short squeeze. This is a normal technical algo squeeze for DJT, and I would not call this a short squeeze. But when we can come over $50.12, this is where the party is really getting serious, because here is the most bearish price level, and when we break $15.12 with bull power here, also same here guys, a full green candle body over this price line here with volume can cause a much higher squeeze for DJT. This is the bull case. The bear case is, yeah, we also have to talk about the bear case, that we come back below, that we get rejected here at this price level and come back down within this trend channel pattern. In worst case with a gap down, so when the price is gapping down, that means that the bears stepping in here, the same like we had here guys. I hope you can see that. I will switch off the drawings for a second here. Sorry, switch off everything here. This gap down here guys, here was one gap down here. You can see this gap down was between 33.93 and then the price started here at $32, and as I said, 33.37 is the price range where the market makers step in, but the bulls recovered very quick, but we still are not back over this price line. So the worst case scenario would be that we come back down here and trade in this trend channel pattern, and when we break below $23.84, then we will see, unfortunately, lower prices for DJT incoming. The market is in a decision right now if it wants to continue to squeeze or not. Most of the stocks had their bottom in August. DJT also started to squeeze in September. So we want to see if the market stays bullish over the next couple of weeks. If yes, I think then much higher prices for DJT are possible. But if you are not certain here to buy in this price range, since I cannot give you any financial advice, no problem guys. I present here every week very spicy short squeeze stocks on my channel. I call them the hot stocks. So when I release those videos every Sunday, that means that I expect those tickers here to squeeze in the very few next days. You can see here some of the member feedbacks, and we had 2 successful short squeezes last week after my video release. The first one was 109% just one day after my video release. And the second one, even a little bit higher, 242%, even a little bit more. We touched exactly here my my exit price level, but that was during the screenshot. We had just here a squeeze of 242% 3 days after my hot stock video release, guys. So that's why it's very possible to predict short squeezes. I did the same for DJT. You can see my previous videos on that as well, when I alarmed about this short squeeze potential here. And if you want to see the actual short squeeze stocks or the upcoming hot stocks, guys, you can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You get access to all this content here, guys, and I also had some new addition right now here, top 5 US short squeeze stocks, which I also present on Patreon. If you want to join in, guys, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader, every day new members joining in, and when you click here the info icon in the corner, you get also access to the Patreon member link. So yo guys, this is what I want to see. So my personal game plan for DJT is not only that we squeeze about 33.37, I want to see a price over 44.32, because everything, as I said here, everything between $38 and $40.36 is what I expect to happen. This is something like an algo squeeze, which I think should and could happen for DJT, but when we squeeze over $44.32, that would be very in favor for a squeeze, and everything over $50.12 with a green candle body and volume can lead into a much bigger short squeeze here for DJT, and you can just see here some of the potential price levels to the upside. Okay guys, that was my quick and dirty update. I hope that was helpful for you. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I would really appreciate that. I thank you so much for your support, and don't forget to take your chance here on the 70% discount for TradingView, guys. This is the last and final day. My dear friends, I wish you great success with DJT. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.